and they will.
Kum Bthah ban Pynïaid Beit rinti ke Pyntreikam hakajo kopor ban pelong ki district council ki shlem ki bedap babiang hakaliang ka khajna ka Sorkar Jingkylla ka Bthah ya ki district council ban Pyntreikam ya ka Jingwanrah Jingkylla ban Pynïaid Beit rinti ke Pyntreikam Jingkylla ki district council hapo ka Jingkylla ka Sorkar Jingkylla hinin kasi ka penlong ya ka Jingkylla bat ki lightly ki district council banyak kran halor ki lat kilinti kumdung ban ya chakmat bat kani kam Menteri Rangbak Jingkylla Konrad Kesang Maulaong babaro lightly ki district council hapo ka Jingkylla kin sa Pyntreikam no klo ya ki Pyntreikam halor ka human resource service rule bat kampisa hakabala thawru ika committee bekerpang ka Sorkar kala kentu ki district council banwan ra ik Pyntreikam ka babit babiang halor ka thungkam thungjam
Look at the overall administration and the different rules, whether financial or HR or procurement policies, and ensure that wherever the district councils felt. The objective of this meeting was in three different objectives. First objective was to look at the overall administration and the different rules, whether financial or HR or procurement policies, and ensure that wherever the district councils felt that they needed the support of the government and to work with the government in guiding them to ensure that the different rules are in place. We discussed all those details, and we are hopeful that all the district councils will put in their different administrative, HR, service rules, procurement policies, financial policies at different levels in all the district councils at the earliest.